Hello everyone, Dave here. As promised in the last episode, we are starting our new series that will pump you up about Google Sheets.
We want to pump you up.
Working in schools, we are increasingly required to work with a lot of data, and we need to utilize tools to make us more efficient and make the best use of our time. To start off our training today, I will show you 5 basic formulas when working with a range of numbers. For this example, I have 7 students and their scores on a recent project, and I want to know the sum, average, count, maximum, and minimum of the student scores. The first option would be to type in the formula, starting with an equal sign, typing sum, open parentheses, choose the cells that I want the sum of, put a closed parentheses, and hit enter. Now let's take a look at the average of the scores. Highlight the cell where I want the result, go up and choose the function symbol, choose average, then highlight the cells I want the average of, and hit enter. And I can do the same process for the rest of the results I'm looking for. Or finally, if I just want to know a quick summary of these functions, I can highlight all of my scores, go to the bottom right of the Google Sheets, and click on the drop-down to review these 5 often used functions. There you have it, 3 different ways to find the answers to the top 5 statistical questions most people have when working with numbers. Looking ahead, our next Google Sheets episode will cover how to clean up data and make your sheets look more professional and consistent. See you next time. Hello, everyone. Why is it always the beginning? Should I start over? Why are you doing this? So just so you can get bloopers?
We want to pump you up.